Hi guys! So I wanted to talk about the updates yesterday. So January 14, nag-update na naman yung IRCC, but this time it's about the family OWPs. So yung open work permit, as you may know, ito yung ginagrant sa spouses or common law partner para magkaroon sila ng chance to work in Canada while you're here as a temporary resident. They can work in unlimited hours, so no restrictions sa any employer, so kahit ilang jobs. So yun yung dahilan kung bakit maganda yung OWP kasi open siya, so walang restrictions. So says here na effective January 21st, 2025, only spouses of certain international students and foreign workers will be able to apply for a family OWP. This was already announced. Yung family OWPs will be limited to spouses of international students who are enrolled in master's program that are 16 months or longer, or yung mga doctoral programs or PhD. So we already know about that, but nag-add na naman sila yesterday. For family OWPs will also be limited to spouses of foreign workers, any kind of work permit, including PGWP to. They must be employed in Tier 0. So as you may know, Tier 0 is a management occupation. So yun yung mga managerial position. Or Tier 1, which the occupations that usually require a university degree. If you want to know more about the tiers, they are here. So you can view if bilang ba yung position mo doon sa mga tiers na to. Another one was the Tier 2 or 3 occupations in sectors with labor shortages or linked to government priorities. So this will be announced more in detail on January 21st. It mostly include the natural and applied sciences, construction, healthcare, natural resources, education, sports, and military sectors. So yun yung mga mostly included in that Tier 2 or 3 occupations. And in addition, for foreign workers, they must have at least 16 months remaining on their work permit when their spouses applies for the OWP. So meaning if you are applying today, January 15, you must have a permit that is still valid until May 15 or 16 months long pa. So, additionally dito is dependent children of foreign workers will no longer be eligible. So, ibig sabihin hindi na pwedeng isama ng mga foreign workers yung mga anak nila to come here with them. Pero, pwede pa din naman magsama yung mga international students ng mga anak nila. So, only yung spouses nila yung nagbago. So, most of the time, yung spouses or common law partner work permit, it's valid the same period as your study permit. So, ang tip ko sa inyo, if you study master's program, of course, master's program, we have a few universities that offer master's program that is 16 months longer, which is 2 years lang naman din yon. I recommend na mag-apply kayo sa master's program so you can bring your OWP with your spouse's OWP with you. And then they can work while you're studying and they can have longer time period to work and find connections na rin, build connections, and you can also be with them at the same time kasi iba pa rin yung may support system tayo. I would recommend master's program if you can, if you have a degree back home already and you wanted to apply for a masteral program. So you can message us directly. We can assist you for your eligibility and kung ano yung mga options mo for university because we have a lot of partnered universities in different provinces. So far, if you take master's program, 2 years yon, and your spouse will get 2 years then, and then if you apply for your PGWP, they can also get the extension ng work permit nila kasi you are extending your permit na as a PGWP holder. So you have 3 years and they may have 3 years as well because it most likely be the same as expiration ng permit mo. And the other pathway that I was gonna talk to you about is the 2 years program. So a lot of you have been wanting to stay in a college kasi syempre mas marami silang mga practicum, mga practical programs. You have more options. So you can do 2 years program or 1+1 program. So you can be eligible for a 3 years PGWP, and then once you're in your PGWP na, you can bring your spouse with you for an OWP if makakapag-work ka dun nga. Of course, if you already were granted 3 years PGWP, it may be one of those tier 2 or 3 na may labor shortages or linked to government priorities kasi as of now, they changed the PGWP then na-align na nga din siya dun sa labor shortages. So, dun sa mga in-demand occupations. So, most likely, you will be one of those and most likely, pwede mong makuha yung spouse mo. You can also apply for tourist for your spouses or your common law para at least mabisita ka nila dito once in a while. But the restriction there is they cannot work and they also can granted a short period of time to be with you. Of course, hindi naman as a tourist, hindi naman pwedeng 3 years din siyang nagtutourist nang wala ring income. So, medyo mahirap din siya and I'm not sure if they will grant them a long time kasi as of now, they changed the multiple entry visa for tourists. So, that might restrict your spouse or your common law partner to be with you in that long period of time. So, another option for that, if you are looking for more option na gusto mo talagang kasama yung spouse mo, they can apply as a student then and they can be working with you as well. So, studying while working then kayo together, and then once you are both on your PGWP, sabay kayo sa lahat. So, at least hindi ka isa. So, kung gusto mo talaga siyang kasama. The last option is to wait until you get your permanent residency. You can sponsor your spouses or common law so you can wait for your PR na lang. So, a lot of you have been doing PSW program, which is very short program lang siya. So, at least 8 months lang yung program na to, and most likely, they will be granted 1 year PGWP. So, if yun yung case, hindi mo masasama yung spouses mo with you kasi your PGWP will be 1 year lang. So, it must be 16 months period, yung expiration nung permit mo. So, hindi ka maging eligible dito sa spousal open work permit. Pero, recently, we have a news na hinahantay sa IRCC, yung Caregiver Pathway Program. If you qualify in this Caregiver Pathway Program or other PR Pathway programs, pwede mo na rin kunin yung spouse mo once you are PR. So, medyo mas maikli yung time of waiting mo and at least mas sigurado na kapag punta nila dito, PR na sila. So, ayun lang guys, so far yung updates natin for yesterday. I just wanted to give you more clarifications if in case na nalilito kayo dun sa news, and if you need more clarifications, you can message us directly and you can ask more questions. If in case gusto nyo maghanap ng master's program, we can also help you to see if you're eligible and give you more options as well. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys soon. Bye-bye.